pause and take a breath. Look at your life. How many times have you prayed and still the mountain hasn't moved? You're tired, you're waiting, you're wondering, does God still hear me? I've been there too. I know how silent seasons can feel. But even when you don't see it, God is working behind the scenes. He's shifting things. He's preparing your breakthrough. Faith isn't just believing, it's doing. Like the woman who reached for Jesus' garment. She didn't wait, she moved. Faith moves mountains, but first, it moves you. You're not in control, and that's okay. God's ways are higher than ours. When you surrender, you give God space to move. Trust His timing. Let go and let God. Don't give up in the waiting. God is preparing you. Your restoration is near, and your story will be a testimony. God is not done with you. This is just the beginning. Stay with us. Subscribe. Share this hope. Your victory is closer than you think.